Heather's house, and we are here for the birthday girl. And here's our birthday girl, Carol. And there's Carol.
I'm sure if I look at the picture,
Happy birthday, Carol! Happy birthday!
It's actually great to see you after all this time.
You too. And look at how pretty Heather.
Thanks for coming.
Oh, you're welcome. I'm so glad to be here. And here's everybody. There's Bill, and there is Heather. There's Heather in here. And Heather's house. Splendid. Everybody's getting ready. We're going to have a nice brunch. And where are the kids? Oh, there they are. And there are the kids. Playing right there in the corner. Where did Heather go? We missed Heather. There's Bill and Heather visiting together. Heather, thank you so much for making such a nice party for your mom. Hey, happy birthday to Carol, Bill. Look at this beautiful setting that Heather's put out together here for her table. Such a pretty thing. Balloons and all. It looks so pretty. And then here's her living room. And more of Carol's friends. And oh, look at that little cute one on the floor. She's the precious one. And here's some more of Carol's friends. You want to give Carol a birthday greeting? Is it Barb?
Yes.
Barb, want to say happy birthday to Carol?
Happy birthday, Carol, and many more.
Great.
Happy birthday, Carol. I know you're going to have a great time in your 60s.
You sure will.
One of our sweetest friends ever. And wish you the best.
Let's say it all together, girls. Happy birthday, Carol. I'm not sure how that's going to look. I was pretty jiggly. And here's Carol. Carol, let's see. Is that Sophie? Okay. Oh, Carol's going to pick up Sophie. Oh, look. There's Carol and Sophie together. Yeah. They look good. Can you give her a hug? Yeah. Look at this face. Oh, that's a cute face. Look at everybody we have here.